In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use task templates in Asana. If you find yourself recreating the same kind of task over and over, task templates will save you a ton of time and keep your team consistent. Let's walk through it from start to finish so you can set this up once and reuse it whenever you need. Start by opening Asana and heading to the specific project where you want to use a task template. Templates live at the project level, so make sure you're in the right workspace and project before you begin. Once you're in that project, look toward the top right and click Customize. This is your control center for project level features. Give it a second to load and then scan the panel that opens. In the Customize panel, look for Task Templates. In some layouts, you may see Add Task Template. The wording can vary slightly, but you're in the right place if you see an option to manage or create templates for this project. Click to create a new template. Now build out your template just like you would a real task, but think of it as a reusable blueprint. Start with a clear task name that describes the repeatable work, like publish weekly report or onboard new client. Add a helpful description with context, links, and any must-follow instructions. This is your chance to prevent confusion later, so be specific. Next, add subtasks to break the work into steps. Each subtask can have its own assignee, due date rules, and notes, which makes your template truly plug and play. Assign the main task or specific subtasks to the right roles if that's predictable in your workflow. If assignments vary, you can leave them unassigned and let the project owner fill them in when using the template. Set due date rules to keep timing consistent. For example, you might set the main task to be due a certain number of days after the task is created, and subtasks to follow in sequence. Relative dates help your team stay on track without doing math every time. When everything looks good, save the task template. Take a quick moment to double check the name, description, subtasks, assignees, and due date rules so you don't have to revise it later. From now on, whenever you need the same type of task, open this project, use the save template, and Asana will create a fresh task with all your details pre-filled. It's fast, consistent, and reduces errors so your team can focus on the work instead of the setup.